Exercise 11.2, the very first question. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. So first of all, we have to draw a circle with radius 6 cm. Now we will take the arc of 6 cm to construct a circle. So this arc is equals to 6 cm. So suppose I have taken the center at this point, and from this point I am drawing one circle. So this circle is having the radius of 6 cm. Now one more line is added. From a point 10 cm away from its center, construct the pair of tangent. So from the distance of 10 cm from its center, we will draw a line segment of 10 cm away from the center. Suppose the name of this point I have taken as P. This point P is 10 cm away from the center of this circle. The center of this circle I have taken as O. Now, the next line of the question is, from a point 10 cm away from its center, construct the pair of tangents. Now we will draw the pair of tangents from point P to this circle. So let us see how to draw the pair of tangents from the external point. For that, we will bisect PO. To bisect PO, we will take the arc more than half of OP. More than half. So this arc is more than half of OP. So first of all, we will make one arc here and second one here. With the same measurement, no need to change the measurement. From the same measurement, from point P also, we have to intersect on this arc and this arc also. So these 2 points we have to join these 2 points. Now suppose the name of this point I have taken A. Now A as a center of the circle and OA as a radius, we will draw one circle. The point of intersection of this circle and this circle will be the point of contact of tangent. So we have to join these 2 points. This is the first tangent and this is the second tangent. Suppose the name of this point I have taken X, this point I have taken as Y. So XP and YP are 2 tangents which are drawn from the external point P. After that, the end of the question is measure their lengths. With the help of the ruler, we can measure the length of XP and YP also. So this is the solution of this question. Now let us consider question number 4 of the same exercise. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. So let us consider a circle with radius 5 cm. So first of all, we will take the arc of 5 cm and we will construct a circle. So this arc I have taken 5 centimeter. Center, suppose I am placing at this point, and we will draw a circle. After drawing a circle with radius 5 centimeter, then we have to draw the diameter. This is the diameter of the circle. Center of the circle I have taken as point O. Now the next line of the question is, we have to draw the pair of tangents. We have to draw the pair of tangents to the circle of radius 5 centimeter, which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Means both the tangents are inclined to each other at 60 degree. For that, first of all, we have to construct the angle of 60 degree at the center. So at the center, either side of the center, we can construct the angle of 60 degree, either towards the right side or towards the left side. So we are going to draw the angle of 60 degree at center. After that, we will join these 2 points. Measurement of this angle is equals to 60 degree. Suppose the name of this point I have taken as A, name of this point I have taken as B, name of this point I have taken as C. Measurement of this angle is given 60 degree. Measurement of this angle will be equals to 120 degree. Now we have to construct the angle of 90 degree on the both arm of the angle of 120 degree. We will not construct the angle of 90 degree on the arm of 60 degree. This angle 60 degree is having 2 different arms. First one is OC, second one is OA. So these 2 are the arms of angle 60 degree. But OB and OA are the arms of angle 120 degree. So what we have to do, we have to construct the angle of 90 degree at point B and at point A. So we are going to construct the angle of 90 degree at point B. Then we have to draw the straight line. Similarly, we have to construct the angle of 90 degree at point A also. Here also we have to draw the straight line. Now intersection of these 2 lines I have taken as point P. Unnecessary lines we can remove from here. So this is the external point P. From this point P we are having 2 tangents, PA and PB. These 2 are the tangents which are inclined to each other at the angle of 60 degree. Whatever angle is there, the same measurement of angle will be here. If suppose we are having the 70 degree angle here, angle of 70 degree, then this angle will be equals to 70 degree. If we are having this angle equals to 80 degree, then the measurement of this angle will also be equals to 80 degree. Since the measurement of this angle I have taken 60, that's why this angle will also be equals to 60 degree. both the tangents are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. So this is the solution of. Now let us have question number 6 of the same exercise. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB equals to 6 cm, BC equals to 8 cm and angle B is equals to 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. So first of all, we will consider a right angle triangle ABC. Suppose this point I have taken A, this one is B, this one is C. Measurement of AB is given 6 cm, while the measurement of BC is given 8 cm. Next line of the question is, and measurement of angle B is equals to 90 degree. So here the measurement of this angle is equals to 90 degrees. So first of all, we will construct a right angle triangle ABC in which measurement of AB equals to 6 cm, BC equals to 8 cm and measurement of angle B is equals to 90 degrees. So with the help of the scale, first of all, we will draw the base BC of 8 cm. So here I am going to draw the base BC of 8 cm. So this is equals to 8 cm. This point I have taken as B, while this point I have taken as C. Now at point B, we are having the angle of 90 degrees. So here we are going to construct the angle of 90 degrees. Here, measurement of AB is given 6 cm, so we will take the arc of 6 cm. Now, this is the arc of 6 cm. From this point B, we will make the arc of 6 cm. This point is A. After that, we will join A to C. So this is the resultant triangle. Once again, let us see the question. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB equals to 6 cm, BC equals to 8 cm, and B equals to 90 degree. Next line of the question is BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. From this point B, we have to draw a perpendicular on AC. Let us see how to draw the perpendicular from the external point. This is the line on which we are going to draw the perpendicular. This is the external point. So let us see how we are going to draw the perpendicular from point B. We have to take the arc such that this arc will intersect AC at two distinct points. Once again I am repeating here, we have to take the arc such that this arc will intersect AC at two distinct points. So let us see. Suppose I have taken this arc. Now from point B I am making the arc. Let us see, it is intersecting AC at two distinct points. This is the first point of intersection, this is the second point of intersection. Now, we have to take more than half of this arc, and from this point we will make another arc. From this point we will make the point of intersection. And at the end we have to join this point and this point. So this point is B and BD is perpendicular on AC. So the next line of question was BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. So BD is perpendicular on AC. Next line is the circle through BCD is drawn. We have to draw a circle which will pass from point B, C and D. So let us see how to construct a circle which will pass from point BCD. As we know, the measurement of this angle is equals to 90 degree. Let us consider one theorem from class 9. Angle in the semicircle is always equals to 90 degree. If the measurement of this angle is 90 degree, then this line must be the diameter. So here this angle is equals to 90 degree. So BC is the diameter of the circle. So here we will bisect this BC to get the radius of the circle. How to bisect BC? We will take more than half of BC. More than half of BC is this much. So we will take the arc more than half of BC, and one arc we are going to draw here. Second arc we are going to draw here. Now for the same measurement, we are intersecting on these two arcs. After that, we have to join these 2 points. So this is the point of intersection of these 2 lines. So this will act as a center of the circle. Let us see. This is the center of the circle. Join this center of the circle to the C. Now it will touch the D and B also. So we will draw one circle passing from these 3 points. So the next line of question was that circle through BCD is drawn. So we have drawn a circle which is passing from point B, C and D. Next line of the question is construct the tangents from A to this circle. From this point A we have to construct the tangents, means more than 2 tangents we have to draw. Here we are going to draw the tangent from point A. This AB is the first tangent to this circle because AB is perpendicular on this radius. Suppose this point I have taken O. This AB is perpendicular on OB. Hence, it is the first tangent of the circle. To find the second tangent, it is very easy. As we know, the tangent from the external points are equal. So we have to measure the length of AB. AB is equal to this one. So we have to intersect on this side. So this is the length of second tangent. Suppose the name of this point I have taken as D. So we have to join A to D also. Sorry, D point is already there, so we can take another point E. We have to join A to E also. So AB and AE are the tangents which are drawn from point A to the circle. So this is the final solution of this question.